the program now. I feel honored to welcome all the parents and my dear students for taking a keen part in this important program. I'm sure that all of you will be enriched with the knowledge of AI after completing this event. The era generating AI is just beginning, and the future of AI has yet to be written. So together, let us make it innovative and let's make it safe and let's make it responsible for us. I welcome you all once again to the seminar and hope all you will have a great time ahead. Today, with us, we have Dr. Manish Kumar Jain, an eminent personality, an international corporate trainer, and the senior consultant, subject matter experts in various new technology. He has 20 plus years of experience in IT industries and the creator of Swamadhiri Mudra cryptocurrency and crypto wallet. I cordially invite Dr. Manish Jain, sir, to take over the session. Sir, today in this meeting, we have 2024 batch students of BCA, IT, and CS, and their parents also. So everybody is eagerly waiting for you, sir. And over to you, sir, for the technical session. Again, welcome to Sahrdaya College, sir.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much to you, and thank you so much, everybody. So, hi, everyone. Very good evening. Myself, Dr. Manish, and I am the part of Technova and the college. So, we'll discuss about more into the AI, artificial intelligence, their trend, the job prospectus, and different types of activity which is happening in the market. Okay. So, I hope am I audible to you properly without any disturbance. All good?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, fine, perfect. So initially, I will explain about what type of trend we have, what type of requirement we have from the company side. So the meaning is that once you do any type of course, then what type of demand we have. So I remember my time, if I talk about the 15-20 years back. So that time, the companies are coming to the college, or we are going for a company for the interview. That time companies will ask very basic question like, like, do you know C programming, or do you know the basic of database, or the basic stuff, and easily we got a job. But nowadays we have a job for emerging technologies, and the competition is very tough, so the companies, they are looking out the person, those who are good in artificial intelligence and different types of emerging technologies, and where the IBM is giving more focus on it. So if you have certification of any of the topic, or if you have expertise to any of the topic, definitely you will get very good job and along with a very good package. So nowadays the package is not a big deal. Only the thing is that skill set. If you know the skills, you will get whatever you want. So this is what we have along with AI. So let me give you the basic idea that, why we require these type of courses, what is the market going on, and how we can get a new type of component. So as I said that, nowadays the market is rapidly changing. So if I take a very common example, initially we had a Nokia mobile phone, but nowadays we have different types of phone like Realme or MI. In the future, what phone will have, we never know. Probably we got something else. Yeah. So on the same way, we have the emerging technologies. So nowadays the market is going on for these different types of technologies. So the companies, they are expecting that you should be good in IoT or industrial IoT. Companies are expecting that you should know about the cloud computing, green computing, quantum computing, or companies probably asking more question about the big data, AI, machine learning, deep learning. The reason is that nowadays the coding is not a big deal. But how you're comfortable with the topic, this is what we are expecting from a system. So IoT, cloud computing, big data, AI, machine learning, process automation, these are the major aspect we have. But from last few days, you heard about the generative AI, OpenAI, Midjourney, ChatGPT, the prompt engineering. So these also supporting to the market for getting a very good job. Now, what is the meaning of IoT and all? Let me give some basic ideas so that you will get more idea, because we have a parents also here. IoT is called Internet of Things. So how we are connecting a different types of database from a different types of sensor. Like nowadays, if you purchase any of the car from Hyundai or Maruti or Nexa or any of the brand, all the car will come with the different types of sensors. These sensors will check that what is the air pressure, what is the speed. They are giving some signal. So that is what we have the example of IoT. So after the COVID-19, we do have a lot of use cases of the IoT. Even during the COVID-19 also, doctor says that no need to come to the hospital. We have different types of device, like we have, this the temperature sensing machine. We have BMI machine. You can check everything from your house. And once you feel you are not comfortable, then only you come to the hospital. So that is what we have seen with the help of IoT. So IoT is playing a very important role in the market. So within the IBM, we have one service called IBM Watson. IBM Watson is using IoT in a different types of way. So if you know the basics of IoT example, this is also good for you to go for further uses. Second one, we have a cloud computing. So the cloud computing, the meaning is that how we are connecting to each other virtually. So like, as we are connecting with the Zoom meeting or MS Team or any of the Google Meet, this is the example of cloud. So you're in a different location, I am in the different location, somebody in the different location, but we are the part of one team. And this is what is happening with the help of cloud computing. So cloud computing, green computing, quantum computing, these are the major aspect in the market. Next one, we have a big data, data warehousing, machine learning. So what is the meaning of big data? Big data is saying that, how we can handle a big volume of database, which could be the image or the audio or video, it could be anything. So the question is that once we have a database, then how we can go for different set of outputs. So we are having artificial intelligence, machine learning or deep learning. So I'm sure that you have observed different example. So if you are searching something in the browser, immediately you can see the same advertisement in a Facebook, inside the Instagram and all. Am I right here? If you're checking any of the reels in the Instagram, so the same type of reel you will get continuously. How this is coming? With the help of machine learning, with the help of artificial intelligence. So might be many of my friends, they are not aware about what is the AI, machine learning and deep learning. So let me give the basic idea how AI, ML or deep learning will work. Then accordingly, we'll give you the more insight of it. So artificial intelligence is a big umbrella. Okay, so always what I'm saying that AI is a big umbrella. Okay, artificial intelligence. Inside we have machine learning and deep learning. So artificial intelligence is the concept, and this concept are helping us to implement the machine learning and deep learning. So I hope you heard that nowadays we have one campaign about this Lakshadweep and Maldives. So many news are coming in the Google or in the newspaper, in the Facebook, in the Instagram. So AI will understand that the people they are talking about the Maldives and Lakshadweep, and where they got more set of database, you can see the advertisement accordingly. Yeah, so this is the way we are having how this AI will work. So artificial intelligence is the big umbrella, and inside the umbrella we have machine learning and deep learning. So artificial intelligence is the concept. Okay, this is not the software, this is not the application, or this is not a tool. This is the concept. In this concept, we can implement using machine learning and deep learning. Like how we have a driverless car. Driverless car is the example of artificial intelligence. But how Tesla has designed a driverless car using machine learning and deep learning. Yeah, like how we have a Google translator, the example of AI, but how they have designed using machine learning and deep learning. So AI is the big umbrella, and we can handle with the help of machine learning and deep learning. But the question is that if somebody don't know what is the meaning of AI, then how to explain in a very simple way. So let me take one of the very common examples. Suppose I have a machine. The machine could be a desktop, machine could be a laptop, or machine could be anything. Okay. So suppose I'm giving a multiple set of elephant image to the machine. So I said to the machine, hey machine, this is the elephant one, this is the elephant two, this is the elephant three. So I said to the machine, this is the elephant image. So the machine will understand that this is called the elephant, and this is what we have about the machine learning. Okay, simple example is that. So because the computer, laptop, mobile phone, they don't have a brain. So whatever data, whatever information I'm giving to them, accordingly they will give response to us. So that is what we have about the machine learning. So if I give the wrong data, wrong command, machine can generate the wrong output. Like if I do something wrong in front of my daughter, she will do the wrong thing. If I do something good, she will do the good thing. The same thing we have about the machine learning. Okay. Now tomorrow morning, machine got a new image, and this is the tiger image. Then machine got confused. What is that? Because machine knows only about the elephant image. So in this case, machine will use artificial intelligence, machine will use virtual intelligence, and machine will tell us that this new image is not elephant. Why? The reason is that machine know about the elephant. But what is that? I don't know. So machine will tell us that this new image is not the elephant image, but what is that animal that I don't know. So the machine will try to give some information to us. Am I right here? The simple example is that, when you're traveling to any of the city like Bangalore or Chennai or anywhere, so, this is the very common sense that, once we lend it to the railway station, probably nearby we'll get a bus stand. Okay. Airport might be so far from the city. So these are the common activity, which our brain can discuss internally. So on the same way, the artificial intelligence will work. So means the database which is not available inside the machine, then also the machine will give us some set of output. This is what we have AI or the virtual intelligence. Now the last one, we have a deep learning. Deep learning is a very famous nowadays. Deep learning is saying that, how we can go for in-depth analysis about the machine learning. So like this elephant is from which place, what type of properties the elephant is having, something in that way. This is what we have about the deep learning. So artificial intelligence is the name, but original task done by the machine learning and deep learning. So like, if you know the programming, like we have Python programming, we have R programming. So with the help of Python programming, you can create your own model in a machine learning, or you can do your model on the deep learning. Okay, this is the example we have. Now let me give you one example to you so that you will get more idea about machine learning and deep learning. So that just let me give a very simple example. Okay, not complicated, very simple example. Okay, this is the one example I'm having from the school. I hope you can see my screen, or let me reshare if screen is not visible. 1 minute. We reshare the screen. Okay, now you can see my screen here. This is the example from the school. The same type of application you can do it once you enroll for the program. Like here, with the help of IoT, I am tracking the classroom. Okay, so total how many boys, how many girls we have, how we can check, because once they take the admission to the school, then the school can take their photograph, and as per the photograph, it can take the attendance automatically. Okay, if any of the student is not present to any of the lecture, so his or her parents, they will get a notification that your son's daughter is not present, and this is the proof we have. So they will get something in the WhatsApp. So just for the example, don't feel that my parents will get a notification, but this is the example of AI. Okay, so total boys we have 3, total girls we have 12. Activities, the meaning is that they are talking, they are walking, they are running, what actually they are doing. So this is what we have, 96%. And the last one, we have sentimental analysis. So as a teacher, our duty is that everyone should be happy in the class. So what is the percentage of the happiness? What is the percentage for the sadness? What is the percentage for the confused? So those who are happy, this is fine. Those who are sad and confused, we need to check with the student that why you're not happy, what confusion you have, whether you will get the concept or not. So something analysis we can do with the help of this artificial intelligence wise. So the voice count, girls count, we can do it with the help of data analysis. Activity level we can do with the help of data science. and the behavior analysis we can perform using machine learning and deep learning. So this is the one example we are having here how this deep learning AI or machine learning will work. Here you can see we can track all the real time activity, not only for the student but you can track for the teacher as well. So when I say tracking, the meaning is that what is the interaction of the teacher, what is the activity teacher is present or not present. So I remember in my school time, we don't have all these things. So simply the teacher can take the attendance and teacher will do their job. But nowadays we have very smart automation, and these automation could help us to perform the task over here. Okay, so this is the one example we are having here, like how we can create the application for AI, machine learning and deep learning. So like once you complete the program and once you make the project like this, and definitely you can do it, because this is not a rocket science. So only we require the Python programming and the few functions from the Python. So anybody can do that. So like here I took the example from my school, but you can implement the same thing to the college. You can implement same thing to your home, your office, anywhere you can do that. So that is the one example we are having how this AI will work and how we can use artificial intelligence for different types of purpose over here. Okay, so this is the one example we have for AI. Apart from this, we have some more example of artificial intelligence. So I hope you heard about the generative AI. So generative AI is saying that how we can generate. This is what I'm talking about, the generative AI. So generative AI is saying that how we can generate a different types of content automatically. So initially we have a Google. Okay, so the problem with the Google is that if you search anything, it will give you the more set of information and always it will create a confusion to us. But generative AI will give us the accurate output. And the beauty is that generative AI will support all the languages. So if I will type the mix of the language also, then it will support, then accordingly we'll get the output. Let me share some example with you. If I will type what is the benefits of AI, okay, in 10 points in so I just put it something wrong, the spelling, but you can see that machine will correct this spelling from themselves. So if you know the Malayalam, you understand this thing. Okay, so this is the beauty we have to work with the generative AI. Not only this, you can type anything. You can type anything. Like if I write the mix of the language, like I know the Hindi. Let me write little bit. Okay, so here what I will do, I will write how to make a cake. Okay, and when I submit again, then it will work automatically. So this is the benefit we have. So if here I will write how to make a cake, and when I hit the enter, so here you can see that we got output. So it will support all the languages. Even you can type the mix of the language as well, it will work for you. So this is the beauty we have, to work with the ChatGPT. So ChatGPT type of application you can design using artificial intelligence, like we have IBM Watson. So with the help of IBM Watson, you can do the same thing. Apart from this, you can generate different types of images with the help of AI. So we have tool called midjourney.ai. Here you can type any set of question. So I will type any question. I can type like let me type something in that way. Junior NTR and Narendra Modi eating masala dosa. Okay, let me give any of the random keyword, and you can see the beauty of AI. So I just given a keyword that Junior NTR and Narendra Modi eating masala dosa, and let me create two different images. When I click on generate, it will generate a different response for us with the help of generative AI, with the help of artificial intelligence. So this is the beauty we have, and these are something new in the market. So if you know that how we can go for generative AI, if you know that how to create something in that way, definitely you will get more benefit in the future. And the second point is that there should be no copyright issues, because this is that whatever data we are generating, the data is something unique, and we are not copied from anywhere. So this is the beauty we are having to work with artificial intelligence, machine learning, and different types of stuff from the emerging technologies. So in the box, you can type any keyword, you can type any statement, you can type anything. It will convert your input into the image. On the same way, we have some example that how to generate the video. So if you're creating the Instagram reel, or if you're uploading any video in the YouTube, and you don't have a time that how to do that. So this is the image what I got it here. Probably the machine got confused in a junior NTR, so it will take the Nirmodi image in two time. But anyways, this is fine. So that is the example actually. So once you give any set of input, you will get the output accordingly. Okay. So this is the beauty we are having to work with artificial intelligence. Let me share one more example to you. After that, will help you, or will explain to you that what type of courses we can take, where we will get more benefit to work with AI and all. So, but let me share one more example with you that, once you go for all these courses, so what type of applications you can make it. And this is the one application I have from the IBM site. Okay, let me tell you what is the meaning of this example. Okay, let me reshare again. Yes, and reshare. Okay, what is the meaning of this example? So, like we are staying at house. So our house is a normal house, where we can track everything manually. But with the help of IBM Watson, with the help of artificial intelligence, with the help of machine learning, with the help of deep learning, we can convert our house as a smart house. Like I have converted my house as a smart house. So I have given the three different types of voice sample in my house: my voice sample, my wife, my daughter. If anybody will come in the main door and we will say open the door will unlock automatically. If anyone else will come, so I got a notification in my WhatsApp. If I will not open the door, then door will be locked permanent. Okay, this is the example we have. So whenever my garden required the water, it will give me the signal automatically. Or when I want to perform any operation in the kitchen, the same thing I can do with the help of the smart automation. So all these things I have done and designed with the help of artificial intelligence. So you can also do that. You can also do that. This is not a big deal. So only the few things you require, that the basic knowledge of technologies, how we can go for the programming, just how we can go for the certification, how we can take the emerging concept. And once you design the project, I'm sure that in BCA or in a MCA, we have final year where you have to do some project. Am I right? Yeah. So in that project, if you can make some project, something like this or something in a more interactive way, definitely you will get more benefit. So let me show you this example, how the things will work. Okay, so this is the one example we have, that how we can create, or how we can go for the smart automations with the help of artificial intelligence, or with the help of different technologies. So like in this way, we do have a lot of examples, which can support for AI and all. So now the question is that, if you want to design or develop that type of the project or application, then how you're going to do. So we have a different types of courses from the IBM, and these courses are helping you to develop a project like this. So the question is that, why IBM, why not other company? The reason is that IBM is one of the leading brand in the market, and all the companies, they are accepting the IBM certification, and IBM having a major platform for artificial intelligence. So if you know about IBM Watson, so this is what we have, IBM Watson. You can search in the Google, you will get a lot of example. We have very good example into the IBM Watson. So IBM Watson is offering the different types of services for the cognitive analysis. So inside we can go for the image processing, we can go for database processing, and many more things. So IBM is offering all these services. So within the IBM, we are having, the different certification for artificial intelligence, the chatbot, or other things as well. So let me share the more details about it. So once we go for this IBM certification, what is the benefit you will get? The very first benefit we are having about, understanding the different types of AI implementation, AI application, and artificial intelligence use cases. And here we'll explain about the terminologies called machine learning, deep learning, neural network, generative AI, prompt engineering, ChatGPT. So we will show you that, how you can create your own chatbot or the virtual assistants with the help of IBM Watson, and without any programming. Because, many of the students might be they scared that, hey, I am not good in the programming, how I can do that? Or I'm good in a different technologies, then how I can take a good job. Am I right? Yeah, probably you have all the type of question, and all the things we can do it with the help of IBM Watson platform. So you can create any of the application without any programming. So build AI powered solution using IBM Watson AI services, API, and Python with the minimum coding. So this is that, there are two options. Option one is that, if you don't like programming, or if you are not good in the programming, no need to worry about it. We can go with the code without any programming. So we have the option with the IBM Watson, so which is something called the block programming. Simply connecting the block, and you will get the options over there. But if you want to go with the programming, then we have that options also. Apart from this, we can go for computer vision. Computer vision, I told you just now that, where we can perform the analysis about the object, and how we can generate the result. This is what we have the OpenCV. Then what type of skills you are going to be get it if you go for these programs, so that, you will understand about the data science. Data science is one of the leading keyword in the market, and maximum companies, they have the requirement about data science framework. Second one, we have a deep learning, which is more advanced about the machine learning. So what is the meaning of deep learning? Might be many of you having a doubt on it. Okay, like how deep learning is coming is a more deeper. So let me take a very simple example, so that, you will understand my point, how the deep learning will work. So I have something called Google AI experiment. Yeah, drum machine. So this is one of my favorite example, for a deep learning. And let me show you how the things will work. So, like, we love the music. I love the music, and I want to create my own music, but I don't know how to make a music, because I'm not SP Balasubramaniam. We are normal people, but how we can generate our own music? So here the Google is helping us. So Google is saying that, if you don't know anything about the music, then no need to worry about it. With the help of deep learning, you can create your own music. So these are the data sets we have. So when you click anywhere, it will create a new data set for me, and it will generate a new rhythm for me. Let me show you how this is going to be work. And this is the product from the Google. So, like, many of the musicians from Tollywood, Bollywood, they are using this type of application to generate the music. Let me show you how this is work. So I just click anywhere. Okay, I hope you're able to hear the sound as well. So when you click on the filter, we have a drum option. And okay, so I don't know what I did, but I did something, and this is creating a database from the backend. And when I click on the play button, then it will convert my data in some meaningful output. This is output. When I stop and okay, when I click again, so this is the benefit we have to work with the deep learning model. I hope you understand my point. So that is what is called the deep learning over here. Okay. So in the deep learning, you just make the application like this. Then artificial intelligence we have jobs machine learning, we have application programming interface, which is called the API. API is saying that how to connect different types of services, one application. Like suppose if you want to book a flight ticket to Dubai, okay, and we have multiple websites. Like we have Make My Trip, we have Is My Trip, we have Yatra.com, we have so many websites. But all the websites they are connecting with one of the common server called Galileo. So Galileo is located somewhere in the USA. So tomorrow, if you want to open your own company for flight booking, you need to connect with the Galileo, pay some small amount, which is called the fee for a monthly or yearly. Then they will give the API to you. So once you book a seat from your place to Dubai, then the same person cannot book the same seat again. So because this is reflected in the centralized server, and this is what is happening with the API. So not only for flight, but for the bus, for Book My Show, for everywhere we require the API implementation. Then IBM Watson is the tool. Then we have Python programming. Python is one of the simple programming. If you don't know anything about the programming also, then you will do something in Python. So Python is saying that like if you want to write the addition of two number, type 2 plus 2, you will get a 4. That's it. This is one of the simple programming in the market. Then we have data analysis, how we can analyze the database. Then pandas and numpy is the package from the Python programming. From the Python, we have pandas and numpy, and we have application development. So if you want to create a complete application and if you don't want to use the HTML, you can do it with the Python programming. So we have options from here. So what is the benefit of these professional certification from IBM? So once you complete the certification program for any of the topic, you will get the digital badge from the IBM. So this one you can include in a profile. And once you share your resume with any of the companies, so company can check this status and they will give more preferences to you. Like, there are two different types of student. The one student who's certified in IBM program, second student who did a normal course. So those who are certified, they will get more preferences. See, the logic is very simple. So always company wanted to save the money. And when they found that, already we have certified user, those who already done all these type of courses, probably we can save some costing for the training. Am I right? Yeah. So this is the benefit we have. So they will get good job. They will get even the package is also different. So the certified user will get more package some compared to normal user. So this is what we have, and inside this professional certification, you will come to know about complete use cases and the concept like machine learning, data science, natural language processing, image classification, and many more things we have. So major benefit is that you will get this certification and you can add in your profile so that it will add more values. Now, what type of project you're going to do? So do we have some project or not? Of course, we have a project. The project will be depend upon the course content. So like, very common example, we have a chatbot. So you can create a chatbot, you can go for generative AI examples, or you can deploy the chatbot for any type of database. Suppose your father having a business, okay, and you want to upgrade that business in the next level. So you can create a chatbot for your father's business, and you can circulate in the social media or any of the digital media, and probably the father will get more benefit from all these types of project. So that might be possible. So we have different types of project. So all the project are depend upon the artificial intelligence. So either you can make the chatbot, you can make the different types of management system, you can perform the different image classification, or we can go for the computer vision as well. We have a lot of things over here. So what is the professional certification here? So as I said that somewhere like the people those who are certified and someone those who are having a digital certification, of course they will get more benefit with the compared to the people those who don't have. So hands-on project, the meaning is that inside we can cover a one project, but you can do more project. The reason is that we have multiple topics on it, and the project are depend upon your capabilities. Okay, so this is the benefit you will get. So now the point is that what type of investment we are doing. So investment is like your skills, your hard work, and basis on that you will get certification and you will get a knowledge about the topic. And so once you apply it to a company, you will get a very good job. So what type of courses we have in a certification? So very first course we have intro to AI. So here we'll explain about what is the artificial intelligence, the use cases, the companies, the neural network, what type of concept are working on it. So what type of jobs are available, so complete example about artificial intelligence. And here you can do one of the small project that, how to create AI based application without any coding or without any programming. Okay. So like, something in that way you can do that. This is the one course we have about the AI. So this is the basic idea, but inside we are having a lot of topics. We are having a lot of project as well. Okay. Second one we have about this is for 15 to 20 hours. You can see this one. So like that is what I told you that if you don't have any technical background or if you are scared about the programming, then don't worry about it. You will get everything in a very common way. Second one we have how we can use the AI using IBM Watson. So this is again the AI course, but here dedicatedly we are going for IBM Watson. So I told you that IBM Watson having some dedicated platform for writing the AI based component. So the question is that then what is the difference in this course and this course, because both are the part of AI. So in this course we can use any other tool apart from IBM Watson. Like we have so many tools. So we can go for Power BI, we can go for the Tableau, we can go for the Alteryx. We are having so many open source tool. So we can use the tools and you can do the practice. But now here specifically we are going for IBM Watson. This is the one of the tool without any programming. Next one is that how we can create a chatbot without programming. So I said that probably you aware that can I create one chatbot type of things for my father? Okay, let me share the example with you. So as of now, you're the member of many WhatsApp group. Okay, the people they are sharing their knowledge in a WhatsApp group or they are asking question in a WhatsApp group. But who is giving the answer in a WhatsApp group? Like you, like me, if we are the member of WhatsApp group. So can we create a one chatbot or can we attach a chatbot with the WhatsApp group? So whenever we got different set of question, then chatbot will give the answer automatically. So that type of chatbot you can do it in a course 3 and without any programming. So we have different types of tool, like we have Google Dialog Box and all other tool, like we have this the Microsoft Automate tool. So with the help of these one, we can create the virtual agent or we can create a chatbot also. So what type of chatbot? Let me share one example with you so that you will get more idea that what type of chatbot I'm talking about. So I'm having a very interesting chatbot over here, and I'm sure you love that chatbot. Where is that? This one. Yeah, this is the chatbot what I have. Wait, let me reshare again. Okay.
That's a little too close for comfort, lady.
Oh, damn.
What, you never seen a talking gargoyle before? Welcome to Illuminati headquarters. I mean, Denver International Airport.
This is awesome.
Hello? Do I know you?
Are you
I'm starving. You got anything for me? Those flowers look delicious.
Oh, it's because of the conspiracy.
Oh, it's because of the conspiracy. Look at me. I'm a little know-it-all. Will you get back over here? I got a question about this conspiracy. Did you have to buy an extra seat for your hat, sir? Sir, are you stealing a desk? You know, you can actually put the phone down and have a conversation with me. But no, I'm a millennial. I've got to post it. I've got to snap face it and Twitter book it. Excuse me, miss, I've got a stain that needs some polishing. Can I borrow your cleaning cart?
Oh, no.
I need your help. Guess what my favorite food is?
What?
No, I want you to guess.
Human?
Cumin. Yes, I love cumin.
I said human.
Oh, I thought you said cumin. I'm a real big spice guy. Furry hat guy, I can't believe you are wearing one of my friends.
Hey, this isn't your friend.
It used to be until you put it on your head, man.
How old are you?
Well, 243 years old now. They look good for my age, don't I?
Yeah, work out.
All the time. You should see my squats.
You're such a sweet talker.
Will you take me back home with you?
Let's go. I have some space in my backpack.
Actually, I think you have too much baggage for me.
Okay, so this is the one example we have, where we can communicate with the chatbot which is available in the airport. So like this, we have the example, which we can work with a chatbot application. So when he said that, you can create a chatbot, the meaning is that you can just make a chatbot like this. But again, this chatbot which required the more of the IoT intervention as well. But you can do that. Not exactly the same, but in the same way, if you have the enough set of database, this is what we have a chatbot. The course 4 we have about the Python programming, data science, and AI development. This is the mixed course actually. Inside you will go through the multiple set of topics. So very first topic, you can go through the Python programming, which include that Python basics, Python advanced, the NumPy, pandas, and all. For the data science operations. Data science, the meaning is that, how we can perform in-depth analysis about the machine or in-depth analysis about the data set. And followed by, you can just create one application for AI or development. So this is one of the best course because here you will get the Python programming, you will get data science, you will get AI or other stuff. So that's not meaning that, this course is not good. This one is also good. So like, if you're aware about Python programming, then this is fine with you. Or if you're new to the Python, you can go for this thing. So we have multiple choice, depend upon your preferences. So because see, I said that Python is one of the leading programming. So if you know the Python programming, or if you're aware of the Python code, then you will get more benefit. This is the course 4. Course 5, we have the Python project for AI and application development. So here we are going through the Python programming, basic, advanced, Python for AI, Python for ML or other component, and followed by we'll go for the application development. Application development, the meaning is that, we could have a common set of application, like suppose, if I want to perform the prediction of anything, so how the prediction will come? So in the prediction, the meaning is that, let me share the example with you with how this real-time Python code will work. So like I have this example and let me share the example with you. So let me open. Okay, this is what you can see. This one I can take as application. Wait. Okay, this is what you can see. This is the Python code we have, and in the downside, I just wrote the code for the application development. And when I execute this set of code, so you will get the output soon. Okay, so You will get a one window, and in the window you can give certain set of input. So we will get the output accordingly. See, this is the application what I have. So if I give the interest rate, suppose we have 2.5, and the employment rate we have 6.9. When I click on the stock price, this is the things I got it. The meaning is that this is one of the prediction about the stock index. Same thing, you can just make some prediction for the gold market, for the silver, for the stock market as well, with the help of Python programming. So this is called application development, and that is what you can do with the help of Python programming. Okay, this is the one example we have. So this is what we have, the Python for AI and application development. Next one, we have building AI application with Watson API. So the thing is that Watson API, the meaning is that IBM Watson having different thing for text to speech, speech to text. We have different types of assistant and all. And these things can support us to perform the different types of application. Let me share some example with you. So IBM Watson demo. Yeah, this is what I have, text to speech. Okay, this is the one example I have. Here you can type anything, so you can type anything. If I take about Wikipedia, okay, let me take this statement, and when I come back here, Control V, and okay, this is fine. And here we have the language called English. Okay, dialect we have the British, and the voice you're looking out for which person. Okay, and here we have the voice pitch, the speed and all. When I click on play, yes. So here, if I change the tone or if I change the pitch, it will work accordingly. Yes, so this is the example we have from IBM Watson. You can see that IBM Watson text to speech. So how we can call this API in our existing project and how we can perform the operation. And that is what we can do with the help of IBM Watson. So this is what we have inside the course number 6. So overall, the meaning is that, all the courses are very effective, depend upon your requirement. So like how we have taken the text to speech, we are having text to image, or we can call different types of generative AI example, or we have mid journey, or, I can take the prompt engineering, I can take the chat GPT. We have a lot of examples, and you just make the API like this, So apart from this, we have different set of example, which can also support us. To total, we have 6 different types of courses. So either if you go for course 6, we are having this Watson API. For the course 5, we have application development, like how we have explained to you with the Kindle tag. In number 4, we have data science, AI and development. Then we have AI powered chatbot without any programming. Then we have AI with the IBM Watson, and we do have about the artificial intelligence. So depend upon your requirement, depend upon your choice, you just go for it. If you want to go through the programming, you just opt the course which contain the Python and other stuff. Or if you want to go without any programming, so up to you, and this is the initial stage for you to choose the course and choose the topic. And once you certified in the program, so once you apply for any of the job with the profile, and definitely you will get more benefits, So apart from this, we are having new innovations in the market. And for these innovations, always I would recommend it that you can check in the Google, check in the chat GPT, check in the Google Bard, so that, you can decide for yourself which one is good or which one is not for you. Okay. So this is what we have done, and this type of benefit you will get once you adopt this IBM certification program. So if you have any set of questions, you can type in the chat box or unmute yourself. You can ask to me, then I'm happy to give the answer of your question. So I hope everything is clear to you. Yeah. So certification always helping us. I did approximate 15 plus certification because when I say that I am certified in this topic, always I will get more benefit from the client, so because the companies, they are expecting someone, those who already aware about the topic. So this is what we have. So I have done here, and you can ask if you have any questions, any doubt, any concerns. So if you have any further question regarding the fee and other detail, definitely other member can help you out. Okay. So I'm here for give the answer of your technical queries. Like if you have any questions about any of the course or anything, I'm happy to help you out.
Yes, sir. My dear parents and students, now it is question time. You can ask your query